Hi friends, in this video we are going to check whether any number is divisible by 3 or 6 or 9 and find out remainder without doing division. First we will see how to check any number is divisible by 3 or not. If sum of the number is 3 or 6 or 9, then that number is divisible by 3. For example, sum of 157, 1 plus 5 plus 7 equal to 13. Sum of 13 is 4. Since sum of 157 is 4, it is not divisible by 3. We will see another example. 1284. Sum of 1284 is 6. So then this number is divisible by 3. Now we will see how to calculate remainder when dividing any number by 3. If the number is divisible by 3, then remainder is 0. Remainder of 1284 which is divisible by 3 is 0. If sum of the number is 1 or 4 or 7, then remainder is 1. Remainder of 157 is 1 since sum of the number is 4. If sum of the number is 2 or 5 or 8, then remainder is 2. Remainder of 6227 is 2 since the sum of the number is 8. Okay. Next we will see how to check any number is divisible by 6 or not. We know that 6 is a product of 3 into 2 or 2 into 3. So if any number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. How to check whether number is divisible by 2 or not? If the last digit is even number like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is divisible by 2. We already saw what is the rule for the number divisibility by 3. If sum of the number is 3 or 6 or 9, then it is divisible by 3. We will see one example 254. Here the last number is 4, then it is divisible by 2. But the sum of this 254 is 2, which is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 6. Another number we will see. 8598. Last number is 8. So it is divisible by 2. And sum of this number is 3. It means it is also divisible by 3. So 8598 is divisible by 6. Now we will see how to find remainder when dividing any number by 6. If the number is divisible by 6, then remainder is 0. Remainder of 8598 is 0 since it is divisible by 6. If subtracting x values makes the sum of the number as 3 or 6 or 9 and the number as even, then the remainder is x. For example, remainder of 96,224 is 2. Here we will see. The sum of this number is 5. Subtracting 2 from the sum and as well as the number makes the sum as 3 which is divisible by 3 and the number which is divisible by 2. So the remainder is this subtract value. There is another method. Okay? If adding x values makes sum of number as 3 or 6 or 9 and number as even, then remainder is 6 minus x. We will see the same 96,224 in another way. Here the sum is 5 and if we add 4 to the sum as well as to the number, it becomes sum as 9 and number as 96,228. So this is divisible by 6. Then the remainder is 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Okay. and remainder of 135 is 3 since the sum of the number is 9. Hints: if the last number is even and not divisible by 6, then the remainder may be 2 or 4. If the last number is odd and sum of the number is 3 or 6 or 9, then the remainder is 3, as like for remainder of 135. Finally, we will see how to check any number is divisible by 9 or not. If sum of the number is 9, then that number is divisible by 9, otherwise it is not divisible 9. 356. The sum of 356 is 5, that means it is not divisible by 9. We'll see another number, 5760. Sum of this number is 9, that means this number is divisible by 9. Now we will see how to find remainder when dividing any number by 9. If the number is divisible by 9, then the remainder is 0. Remainder of 5760 is 0 since it is divisible by 9. If it is not divisible by 9, then the remainder is sum of the number. Remainder of 356 is 5, as sum of the number is 5. Similarly, the remainder of 46,789 is 7, since sum of the number is 7. So now we can easily find whether any number is divisible by 3 or 6 or 9, and what will be the remainder if it is divisible by 3 or 6 or 9. The method for 3 and 9 is very easy when compared to 6, but once we start to do the practice, the method for 6 also will be easy. The divisibility method is already available in internet. Okay. Here I have added few more examples and clarity in addition to how to check remainder when dividing the number by 3 or 6 or 9. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, like, comment and share. For more interesting learning videos, please subscribe to the channel.